Tired of adapters and workarounds just to use Python in algo trading? With native Python support now in cTrader, you can code and build algos directly inside the platform. This video will showcase how to create a trading bot in Python and use it in cTrader. Let's open the Algo app and create a new trading bot. We give our cBot a name and select Python as our preferred programming language. cTrader provides Python templates covering a wide range of strategies and automated trading actions. These pre-made algorithms already contain trading logic and customizable parameters and are ready to run once you save and build them. Let's choose the Grid cBot template. The Grid cBot implements a grid trading strategy where multiple buy or sell orders for a symbol are placed at regular price intervals. Let's build our cBot to validate its code. Now, we can incorporate an indicator into our trading bot to improve its accuracy. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is a popular indicator that signals overbought or oversold conditions in the market. This indicator can help our cBot avoid opening new positions when the market is stretched in one direction. Integrate RSI into the robot logic. Let's initialize the RSI indicator with a default period of 14 and set the overbought and oversold levels to 70 and 30 respectively. Use the closing prices of the symbol to create the RSI. Add the code to check whether the RSI conditions allow a trade before opening a position. If the filter blocks the trade, log a message showing the current RSI value. Adjust the calculation logic for distance in pips between the current market price and a position's entry price. You can explore Python code snippets for various operations of cBots in our Help Center and adapt them to your own needs. Let's return to build our trading bot in cTrader. Then we start a local instance, and our cBot starts running. Thanks to cloud synchronization, the cBot is automatically available from all cTrader applications where your cTrader ID is active. For convenience, we can start the same trading bot from a mobile cTrader app. The cBot executes in cloud, which means it continues operating 24/7, even if you close the app or switch off your device, with no VPS required. Like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Python videos and cTrader content.